friends, welcome back. I am Priyanka and you are watching Miss Priyanka YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to share a makeup tutorial with you all, and the special part of this makeup look is that it is inspired from Shraddha Kapoor. This look is mainly inspired from one of her latest song, that is Dus Bahane song from the upcoming movie Baaghi 3, and she was looking so gorgeous, so stunning, a different, confident and gorgeous and beautiful, hot and sexy version of herself. So that's why this look is my favorite, and in this video, like always, I am here with a new makeup tutorial, with a new celebrity makeup tutorial, and I'm super excited about this look. The Bollywood inspired makeup look, the blue smoky eyes. Then stay tuned, watch this video till end and it's gonna be fun. And now let's get started. So now my hairs are tied and there is no disturbance. And now firstly I'll clean my face with a wet wipe so that there is no dirt or anything on my face. Next I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus and I will spray it on my face as a primer. It's very lightweight, works as primer and also hydrates and refreshes my skin and makes my makeup long lasting. So once this is dry, we will start with the eye makeup, because the most iconic part of the look is the eye makeup today, because we're going to create a very nice bold blue smoky eye look, which I'm super excited to create. For concealer I'm using LA Girl Pro HD concealer and it's in the shade Classic Ivory. So for eyelid, it's always good to go as lighter shade concealer you can, because whenever you do intense eyeshadows or any kind of bold smoky eye look, it's always good to start with very bright, neat and clean base. And next with this kind of blending brush, I will blend the concealer like so. Whatever is left in the brush, I'll apply it right above my eyebrow, also on the centers of my eyebrows, between my eyebrows. With a beauty blender I'll blend it once again. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro HD powder and I will set my concealer on the eyelid. Very lightly I'll just touch, especially the lines, that is your crease line, you need to set that, that's very important. So next I'm going to take this skin like color and I will apply it all over my eyelid. I'm going to show you how. Like this, I'll just create a very light transition shade. And next I'm going to take this eyeshadow, which is deeper than the previous one, and I will place this eyeshadow right below the previous eyeshadow that I used. I'm just trying to create a depth. Make sure that you blend everything nicely. And I'm also applying it to the outer V's. Can you see that? This is kind of brown color, and I'm going to apply it right below the crease line. So I'm just trying to create everything nice, blended and kind of like contouring my eyelid, you could say. So like that I select my shades and I will place the color like this in a patting motion. This is the third eyeshadow. Slowly you can build up the coverage. I mean, you can deepen the eyeshadows. I'm gonna take this deep brown eyeshadow, as you can see, and I'm gonna take this flat tip brush, and again I will place it right below my third eyeshadows. like this, and slightly blending in small strokes. I'm also applying to the outer corners. So guys, next I'm going to take this deep brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on my natural crease. And then just apply the dark brown eyeshadow closer to your lashes, creating a V shape like this. Like this, I'm going to take a clean brush and I will blend everything. So firstly I'll blend the top part of the lid because the brush is clean, so I will try to blend all the light shade eyeshadow first, and then I'll work on the deeper shade. And next it's time to fill in the blue eyeshadow. So firstly I will apply a creamy base on the eyelid so that it becomes a little bit sticky, and over that we will place the blue eyeshadow. So it will just stick the eyeshadows, at the same time it will also make the eyeshadows intense and bold, and will appear more like darker on your eyelid, which we actually need because of course it's blue smoky eye. So guys, I'm using this Music Flower blue gel eyeliner. I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. I'm just creating a nice shape over my eyelid. So I will also apply this on my lower lash line. Okay guys, so you can see the blue base is done. Okay, so next I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow and I'm going to set the creamy base with this eyeshadow. I will also set my lower lash line with the same blue eyeshadow. So guys, you can see I'm done with the blue eyeshadow on my upper eyelid and my lower lash line. Next I'm going to define this outer crease line with some dark brown and black eyeshadow. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to take the deep brown eyeshadow and I will place it on my crease line, blending it with the blue eyeshadow like this. Slowly you need to work and define the crease. I'm just touching it with the blending brush. I'm blending it in a circular motions and back and forth motion sometimes. Blend the blue with the brown. So guys, after blending this one, I will again go ahead and blend all the colors together. A deep brown eyeshadow that we have used in the transition thing, and I will blend once again. Just touching it. It will create a beautiful gradient effect from blue to black to brown to light brown and like that. So guys, as you can see, it's all nice and blended. To add a little bit extra shine on my eyelid, I'm not going to use glitters, but I'm going to take this foil kind of eyeshadow, and I will just apply it only to the centers of my eyelid to just add a little bit pop of blue on my lid. Only to the centers, as you can see. And next I'm going to apply eyeliner. Next, I'm going to apply the same eyeliner from the back side of the brush. I will dip it in the liner and then I'm going to apply it like kajal on my waterline. Can you see? This is the easiest way to, use your liner as kajal. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Max eyebrow powder, as you can see here. I'm also extending my eyebrows slightly. After this, I will fill in my eyebrows. Likewise, I will do this side. Next, I will set my eyebrows with some brow gel. So it remains on place and gives a nice, professional looking eyebrows. I will just clean my under eye area if there is some eyeshadows and fallouts. Make sure that you do that. Next, I will apply it in very less quantity because we have already applied one primer, MAC Prep and Prime, but I'm using this just in case if there is any open pores, so this will fill that one, because the MAC primer is not good in terms of filling your skin pores. It just apply the primer all over my face, especially my nose area and teeth area. So for foundation, I'm going to wear Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Foundation. Finish blending my neck area before it gets dry. And next, I'll take my beauty blender and I will start blending my foundation. I'm using the same Elegant Pro HD concealer and putting it under my eyes to brighten my face. It's in the shade Classic Ivory. It has this pink undertone in it in this concealer, so it will add a nice pinkish glow and brightening on my face. That's the reason I like to use. I'll take this brush and I will precisely blend my concealer closer to my lower lash line, because we have applied the eyeshadows and all, so it's always good to use small brushes and add a nice shape like this. I will take my powder, loose powder, and I will start setting my concealer before the concealer starts creasing. Okay guys, so once that's done, next we will move on to the other side. Next, with the help of powder, I will set my full face. So after the base is done, next I will take the Sephora contouring palette and I will mix these two brown shades and I will slightly bronze my face. I will shape my nose. Shraddha Kapoor, she's wearing a beautiful pink color lipstick, so I'm gonna wear the same. Since we are wearing pink lipstick, so blush has to be in the shade that is complementing with the lipstick. So I think this is the shade that will match with my lip color. It's like a pinkish, fuchsia, pinkish kind of, like so. Also, I'll apply a little bit on my chin and on my nose so that everything looks nice, blended like my skin. Slightly, I'll apply it on my forehead. So this is the eyelashes that I'm gonna wear. I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So guys, after mascara, the last thing is highlighter. So I'm gonna add some highlighter to glam up and glow up the look. So yes. I'll take a brush and apply it on my nose. And apply some highlighter to my inner corners. And apply some on the arc of my eyebrows, right above, and whatever is left, I'm gonna go on my forehead to highlight. So I'm done with the makeup and I will just do something with my hair and get back to you. Hi friends, so I'm back. I did my hairstyling complementing with my makeup, and I tried to keep my makeup and my hairstyling as similar like Shraddha Kapoor's makeup look from the song Dus Bahane from the upcoming movie Baaghi 3, and this is the final look guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching my before and after makeup look, and this is the final look. Especially these kind of smoky eye looks are very special. You can easily pair this look with Indian and Western both kind of outfits, because smoky eyes is all about it always look bold, confident and glamorous. Either you wear it with Indian wear or Western wear. Main thing is that you can pair it in the evening look. It will evening time, it will look beautiful in evening. And I truly enjoy seeing myself and looking at myself in a different version of me. So yes, and that's all guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel. I come up with a lot of interesting videos on my channel, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, because soon I'm gonna post all the pictures of this makeup look on my Insta. So do check out my Insta and follow me there. And that's all guys for this video. I hope you all find it helpful, enjoyed watching it, and that's all. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.